Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Sequence of development of puberty in girls is telarche, pubarche and menarche is the sequence of development of puberty in girls. First sign of puberty in girls is breast budding. Which of the following pubertal events is in girls is not estrogen dependent? Hair growth is not estrogen dependent. Hair growth is actually androgen dependent. Hair growth is actually androgen dependent.
Menstruation, vaginal cornification, and height spurt are estrogen dependent.
Then we have which of the following is responsible for pubertal growth in females? Pulsatile release of GnRH during sleep is responsible for pubertal growth in females. Then one of the following is the basis of sex chromosome testing. Bar body is the basis of sex chromosome testing.
thank you and thank you for watching.